Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Rima and I will be doing unboxing of LG G8X. This is not a video regarding to travel because as you know we are going through a COVID situation and so I am sitting at home. Hope you guys are doing well and so I am. So basically Flipkart Big Billion Day is going on and there LG G8X has given a crazy deal. It costs around 70k, but in general, Flipkart gives us at 54k. But over Big Billion Day, I got it at 20k. With some exchange offers, I did it at 15k. So basically, it was a crazy deal, and all the stocks were cleared within 2 minutes. It has started at 12 a.m. sharp at night of 16th October, and it took only 2 minutes and stock has been cleared, and it is no more of a Flipkart right at the moment. But I'm not sure whether it will come once again or not, but I got it delivered in one day. Actually, it came today by afternoon, and so I was super excited to show you once again. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's start. Okay, so let's unbox the LG G8X. We are revealing the first look, and here it comes with the invoice. Okay, so here the price says as 70,000, which we got for 15 with exchange. 15,000 it costed me in Flipkart Big Billion Day. So this is the another screen, and let's unbox the first one first. Let me cut the seal here. Okay, here the configuration says as 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. As you see, it's giving us in festive special limited edition G8 theme cube. So it is very mandatory for LG. It always provides us this cleaning cloth. And wow, this is the first look. This is one part of the screen. Let's check what else is there. Okay, here we got the cable, and here it is earphones here. And here we can see another case. So seems nice it is, with some manuals. We can check it later. So let's see the another screen. Okay, so now another screen is in my hand, and let me pull off the seal first, the wrapper. Wow. And here we got the charger jack, which to be connected. Wow, satisfactory magnetic attracted, and Let me join the another screen. So this is the entire fittings of the screen. Now let's make it on. It seems really nice. We can see two cameras at the back. Okay, so we have reached to the home screen. Turning on the dual screen. Wow, so big. It seems that it is trying to update some software for the dual screen modes. So let's wait for some time. Okay, so this is dual screen here, and if we close it, then we can see the tile on the top. So this is the initial first look of LG G8x, and let's see the camera also. Nice camera clarity as well. So practically it's really happy to get this phone for 19,999. Thanks for watching.